Today we are talking about panels, menus, and windows. This is the demo program we will use. Before we delve into the code, let's first take a look at the graphical interface that we are going to create. The user interface consists of several panels, which are referred to as top, side, or central panels, depending on their placement. The update method is responsible for determining the visual appearance of the interface. This is the top panel with the label Top Panel Number 1. This is a side panel. Another top panel. This is a right side panel. Another right side panel. The central panel is defined as the remaining area. The order in which you add panels matters. The first panel you add will always be the outermost, and the last one you add will always be the innermost. Always add any central panel last. Let's see the use declaration. We are going to use top-bottom panel, visuals, menu, and window. We need a struct for our application. We need this new method. This is the first instance where we have utilized the argument cc. What will happen if we use light instead of dark? We have just reviewed the code for the update method. This is the main function. Please note the size of the viewport and run the program. This is the size of the viewport. Currently, the central panel is empty. We will now add two windows, each containing a label. Let's run the program. Next, let's replace the label with a menu bar. The top-level menu bar is made up of menu buttons, and each menu button contains several buttons. Let's run the program. Before we wrap up this video, I want to show you a game that I've named the Caterpillar game. Here are the rules for the game. You are the caterpillar. Use the up, left, and right keys to control the speed and direction of your movement. For each game, a word is generated, for example, toad. There are 3 spirits carrying the letters T, O, and A. Try to catch them in that order. There are 2 demons, avoid them, otherwise, you will either die or lose a body part. Whenever you catch all the letters comprising the word toad, you win the game. This is a button. Click the button to select the vocabulary. Let's choose the bird vocabulary. The upcoming games will feature bird-themed vocabulary. For example, the word hummingbird has been chosen at random. Let's watch the game in action. The caterpillar got eaten before it could catch any letters. Let's restart the game. Later, I am going to talk about the code behind the game. Thanks for watching.